non-selective. So what we'll see in detail. Non-selective beta blockers, both B1 and beta 1 and beta 2 adrenergic receptor throughout the body. By doing so, they inhibit the effect of epinephrine and non-epinephrine, which normally stimulate this receptor. Block B1 receptor primarily found in heart, leading to decreased heart rate and forced contraction. So what beta 1 receptor will do? They are usually found in heart, so they will decrease the heart rate and force of contraction. So especially in the case of palpitation, we can go for a beta blockers. So especially we have to prefer B1 beta blockers, as beta 1 receptors, they cause sometimes palpitation and this thing. So we have to go for beta blockers. But again, if it is present in kidney, reducing the renin release, subsequent lowering the blood pressure. And how it will work as a B2, located in the lungs and blood vessels, potentially causing bronchoconstriction and vasoconstriction. So these are the non-selective beta 1 and beta 2 blockers we are not advising in the case of COPD or asthma. Okay? Because there what they'll do the vasoconstriction and bronchoconstriction. So patient oxygen transfer will not be there. Okay, gases exchange will not be there. Or patient feel restless, the SpO2 will be down. Next is selective beta blocker. Why we called it as selective? Non-selective will be found in kidneys, found in lungs and found in heart. But selective beta blocker will be found in cardiacs. Sorry, non-selective beta blocker. Selective beta blocker will be found in only heart. So those having a asthma attack and these things, where we will go only for a selective B1. Beta 1 selective blockers, also known as a cardioselective beta blockers. Sorry, selective beta class of drug that primarily target beta 1 adrenergic receptor in the heart, leading to a reduction in heart rate and blood pressure. These drugs are commonly used to treat hypertension, angina, heart failure, and also used as a post-myocardial infarction. So these are a metoprolol, even bisoprolol. So these are the beta blockers ends with LOL. LOL.